This quick guide will show how to buy shares of Playstudios Inc. and explain the basic steps for buying MYPS on an online broker. Playstudios is a mobile and social casino game developer listed on NASDAQ under the ticker MYPS. This is educational content and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you will usually need to verify your account with an identity document and then add funds to trade. Use the platform's search field and type the ticker MYPS to find the exact listing. Confirm you select the Playstudios Inc. entry from the search results to reach the correct stock page. On the stock page, you'll see basic company information and a price chart to review recent movement. Check the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker to confirm it is the correct asset. Tap the Invest or Buy button, choose the amount you want to use, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled or executed when the market reopens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the order is finalized. Your new position will appear in your portfolio after the trade executes. For the example link and more details, see the description below.